chapter in life. So, warm welcome to all the valued invitees from the band and from both the families. I won't say much, but just one thing. We all attend weddings, yet look at us. So tense, so serious, everyone. So, I just need one smile from all of you first, and also, smile, not a loud laughter, okay? Okay, this is from our upcoming album, so don't tell anyone this was for you too. Lying still in bed, lost in my world, wondering why the one meant for me, where are you now? Maybe she's around or far away, somewhere just like me. Still got no clue, so I need a sign. Lord,